The video is going to be the ultimate Gator car wash. So Caden's going to take the car wash part, right, Caden? Huh? Oh, okay. Let me see the car. So when it starts off, it's going to go here. Hold on for a minute, man. So you pull this thing. I just got one hand, so we're going to do this. Alright. So you can grab it. And go up there.
Like that.
Yeah, so alright, the car's going to go through here. It's going to go all the way around.
I want to start over.
No, we're not starting all over. So go ahead, push it in there. You can do that. It's a little car wash thing. Put hot water in it. Fortunately, we don't have the car. That's good. That's good. Fortunately, we don't have the car that changed colors. We don't know where that's at though, but that's normal. All right, go ahead. All right, so you dump it. So the water does spill, in case you guys think they got a little drainage down there. So, all right, pull it out. Then we got the little car wash.
Ring.
Ding, 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 ding.
This is hair on it.
Yeah, it is. Then this is the little car wash where the water goes at. Push it down, push it down. It's gone. Anyway, come on, let's go.
We need to put water in it, though.
What?
We need to put water in it.
Oh, gosh.
Stop.
Anyways, you put the water, you push it down. Push it down hard. Yep, and it pops out. It goes down and right there.
And this one is to fall down.
And they get the alternate route. Falls down and goes that way. Up and down to the thing.
Bye.
So, Hot Wheel City. Introducing the Gator thing. Gator. Yeah, it's like a little wiper thing
We
as well.
didn't do that one.
But not that says. Is there anything else to say?
We can't do
Kaden, come here. You got anything else to say?
Bye.
That's it. No subscribe, like, a thumbs up.
Thumbs up.
No subscribe.
See our video and want to.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Lord. Anyways, Ultimate Gator Car.